Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to buy a Steam gift card online. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to recharge.com. This website makes it incredibly easy to purchase digital gift cards for various platforms, including Steam, without needing to visit a physical store. Once the page loads, you'll see various options available for different services and platforms. Next, click on Steam. This will take you directly to the Steam gift card purchase page where you can select the specific denomination and currency that works best for you. It's a straightforward process designed to get you gaming as quickly as possible. Now, in the right panel, you'll notice a drop-down menu for selecting your currency. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available currency options. From the list that appears, select your preferred currency. This ensures that you're purchasing the gift card in the correct monetary denomination for your region or the region where you'll be using it. After selecting your currency, you'll see various amount options displayed on the screen. Click on the amount you want to purchase from the available options. Each denomination serves different purposes, whether you're topping up your own Steam wallet or buying a gift for someone else. Once you've selected your amount, click the Buy Now button. This action will move you forward to the checkout process where you'll finalize your purchase details. The site will prepare to collect your payment information and delivery details. On the next screen, you'll see a designated field for your email address. Enter your email here, making sure it's accurate since this is where your Steam gift card code will be delivered. After entering your email, click Continue to proceed to the payment section. Now you'll be presented with various payment method options. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. Whether you prefer using a credit card, PayPal, or another digital payment service, select the one that's most convenient for you. After selecting your payment method, you'll need to enter your personal details. This typically includes your name, billing address, and payment information. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate to avoid any issues with processing your order. Finally, click Continue to complete your purchase. The system will process your payment, and within moments, you'll receive your Steam gift card code directly to the email address you provided earlier. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a Steam gift card online and can now add funds to your Steam wallet or gift it to a friend. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.